Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Najwa Nursala, NIM 122211709. Di sini saya akan membacakan tentang pabrik gelap di Cina dengan tugas speaking English. Amid the frenzy of global industrial development, China has once again created a breakthrough that is shaking up the manufacturing world. The phenomenon of dark factories is becoming increasingly prevalent in China. They are called dark factories because these production facilities require almost no light, as almost all operations are controlled by robot and artificial intelligence atau AI. This technology is replacing human labor, creating an inevitable new industrial revolution. The dark factories phenomenon in China. Factories in China are increasingly relying on full automation. Several large companies have implemented dark factory system where production runs 24/7 with little or no human intervention. For example, in electronic and textile factories, robots are now able to complete production process with high efficiency and minimal errors. This phenomenon did not occur suddenly. Rising labor costs, the drive to increase productivity, and the reliance on artificial intelligence are driving China's industry to shift to automation. This way, they can maintain their position as global manufacturing hub without relying on an increasingly expensive and limited human workforce. Furthermore, in COVID-19 pandemic has been a major catalyst for acceleration the adoption of the technology. With rigorous social scene, manufacturing companies are forced to find way to continue operation without the risk of disruption from human factor. As a result, the dark factory have become the most effective and sustainable solution. Impact on China's workforce. This advance present a significant dilemma. On the one hand, efficiency increases, production costs, and product can be produced more quickly with minimal errors. However, on the other hand, millions of workers in the manufacturing sector face the threat of job loss. For low skill, competition is intensifying. Those without skill in technology or automation are forced to adapt or lose their livelihood. This poses serious social challenge, including rising poverty and economic inequality. The effect of dark factory on Indonesia. 1. Competition in the manufacturing industry. With increasing production efficiency in China, it will become increasingly difficult for Indonesia to compete the traditional manufacturing sector. For example, companies that previously established factor in Indonesia due to cheap labor might shift to more productive and cost-effective dark factories in China. 2. Investment shift. Foreign investors previously attracted by cheap labor in Indonesia might begin to consider automation as a more profitable option. This could slow the growth of Indonesia's manufacturing sector and hinder the creation of new jobs. 3. Threats to the Indonesian workforce. If local companies do not quickly adapt to technology, Indonesian workers could suffer the same fate as workers in China, losing their jobs due to automation. The workforce skills need to be upgraded to prevent them from being replaced by machines. 4. New opportunities in the technology sector. On the other hand, this development could also be an opportunity for Indonesia to develop technology-based industries. If Indonesia is able to invest in the development of AI and robots, new opportunities in the digital economy could emerge. The dark factories phenomena in China is a sign of major change in global industry. Full automation is beginning to replace human labor, creating both challenge and opportunities for developing countries like Indonesia. To remain competitive, Indonesia must prepare by upgrading workforce skill, developing technology, and encouraging innovation in the manufacturing industry. Otherwise, Indonesia could be left behind and lost in competitiveness on the global stage. However, if these changes are harnessed with the right strategy, Indonesia can participate in the fourth industrial revolution and build a more sustainable future. Sekian, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.